Writing Task 2. Band 9-score model essay with advanced vocabulary. Question. Over the last few decades, the media has promoted the image of young thin women as being ideal. What problems has this caused? What solutions can you suggest for this issue? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Model answer. The portrayal of young, skinny women as the epitome of beauty and desirability by the media has yielded a myriad of societal problems that require thoughtful solutions. This essay aims to analyze the adverse consequences of this phenomenon and propose potential remedies to address the issue. The media's persistent portrayal of thinness as the standard of beauty has contributed to the rise of body dissatisfaction and low self-esteem among individuals, particularly young women. Constant exposure to these narrow beauty ideals can lead to unhealthy body image perceptions and even trigger eating disorders, such as anorexia and bulimia. Moreover, the unrealistic beauty standards set by the media can cultivate a culture of comparison and competition, eroding individuals' self-confidence and happiness. For instance, a study conducted by the National Eating Disorders Association revealed that teenage girls who frequently viewed fashion magazines featuring ultra-thin models were more likely to report feelings of dissatisfaction with their bodies and exhibit a higher risk of developing eating disorders like anorexia nervosa. To tackle the issue, a multi-pronged approach is essential. Firstly, media organizations must take responsibility for promoting a diverse range of body types in their advertisements and content. This can help normalize different body shapes and sizes, fostering a sense of inclusivity and self-acceptance. Additionally, educational programs aimed at media literacy can equip individuals with the skills to critically analyze and challenge unrealistic beauty standards portrayed in the media. This empowerment can enable them to make informed choices and develop a healthier perspective on beauty. For example, in Sweden, the government has implemented media literacy programs in schools to teach students how to deconstruct and interpret media messages critically. These programs encourage students to question and analyze the motives behind the portrayal of beauty ideals in the media, helping them understand the manipulative tactics used to create unrealistic standards. In conclusion, the media's propagation of thinness as the ideal standard of beauty has resulted in detrimental consequences for individuals' self-esteem and mental health. However, through concerted efforts by media organizations, educational campaigns, and society as a whole, the cultivation of diverse beauty ideals and the promotion of self-acceptance can counteract these negative effects and contribute to a healthier and more inclusive societal outlook on beauty. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.